Today I will talk about system that you can generate money. This is an online platform. You can make huge money from this platform. This is Sri Lankan website, and this system has come to world before 6 months ago. And this is winwinlk.com, and this is an online platform like eBay, AliExpress, and this system from this website you can order items to your home from online. So you can search any item from this website and you can order. But this is an online platform, still growing, and special feature of this platform is you can earn lot of money from this by logging to this and by registering in here, and you can share this website to other people with your referral link, and you can earn a lot of money after they registering. So after thing is you have to make a customer base, you have to introduce to this website to 10 people, and that 10 people will also introduce to 10 people. So like that it will grow. So like that it will generate, and it is like you start this business by introducing to 10 people, but after 1 year it will grow little by little, and the more people will come under you, and there will be 10 lakhs or 15 lakhs, 30 lakhs customer base under you. So in this customer base, when some person purchase product from this, you will get an income, you will get generate an income. So there are benefits that there is a point system to products. So there is RB points and RBP points. RB points means direct referral benefit, that when you register with your referral direct link, you if they buy a product, you get the RB purchase points. And RBP points means agency benefit, that when someone purchase a product from your customer base, your team, you can get those points. So this is an online platform, and now we are promoting this platform. Then he can earn lot of money, and the money will generate when you sleep also at one day. So now we are promoting this business in Sri Lanka, and as foreigners you can get also register here. I will show you how to register. One of your friend has sent you your link, and you can touch this link, and this is your link to for register the account. So press the link, and that will load to a sign up form. So you can input your data. You have to input your data, first name, last name, and then your male or female, then country code and your phone number. Select an email, email your email and send the password. That password must be should know you. Then select your country. After you selecting the country, go to scroll down and select your country. Then after that you can see the province or state will select. So choose that, and then after that only city will select. So wait for few minutes, few seconds to select, and press the select city, and you can then agree, select agree and create account. After create account, there will be a code. Create account, then code will come. There will be a OTP verification code, and check your email, and send the code. There is a email come to from you WinWinLK, and you has a verification code. Then you have to put this verification code into this OTP verification area and take verify. Then after that the account will create. That you can log into the official website, or where the agency benefit website you can log by winwinlk.net. This is your income platform area. this is the website that you have income. So this is how the income platform area that your team and your customer base are indicated in this area. So after you register, I will show you how to log. When you search winwinlk.net and home page course, and after that there will be home button, and there will be this menu bar, and press that, and you can see the sign in option. Then select sign in option, and then press indicate your data, email and the password. After giving the correct password, you will log into your account. So this is my account. I have started this business 1 month ago, and I created this business little by little, and now I have activated the account, and I have total purchase points of 100 to become active the account. So now I have a few members in my customer base. There is agency 1, 2, 3, and there's 3 agencies. So I have to create mainly 3 agencies. Now there is 642 people in agency 1, 342 in agency 2, and 263 in agency 3. And my direct referral count is 215. So I have tell this business to I have registered this business with my direct link 215. So this is how you get your referral link. This is you go to enroll a new member option and scroll down. Go to scroll down, don't fill these forms, and scroll down. There is option called copy link 1, copy link 2, copy link 3. So these links are for the 3 agencies. So press just touch the link, and there is a successful copied option will come, and then go to notepad or somewhere, and touch the pad and paste it. Then your link will generate. Or otherwise, other option is you can go to one of your messenger friend or WhatsApp friend or Telegram friend, and press and take the paste option and press it and paste this and generate the link, and you can send. Then ask them to register in here that they can also generate money. So this is the link how you generate. So like that you can get the 3 links that you need. So link, if you need link 2 you can generate, and if you need link 3 you can generate it, and register the people as possible as you can, and tell them also that they also can earn money. So from this so like that way we have to register people, and we have to promote this website to more people. So then when the more people come, the more people will register, and this site will be promoted easily. And after 1 to 3 years after hitting this site, after promoting this site, you can get more money when they purchase products on this WinWinLK store. So this is our store. So winwinlk.com, you can log to there and you can purchase products so anywhere in the world. So now products are limited products in here, but it will grow little by little one day. So this will grow globally. So your my foreign friends can now register, and you can share these links and register more people. After globalization, you also can purchase products from here. So thank you everyone, and get registered and share this business to more people. So good luck everyone.